I've got a new project. Not a whole car, just this. Well, you've seen the car that I'm planning on putting it in the background a few times. This is a CA18DET, and I actually have two of them. This one, which is all assembled, and another one that's completely in pieces and boxes. The downside is, the assembled one's got a hole in it. So, starting with this video, I'm going to tear this thing down, see what I've got for parts, and try figure out what I need to put together an actually running little JDM 4-cylinder for one of my next builds, if you want to call them that. Cool HKS oil filter. Surprisingly, the crank still turns. I mean, it looks pretty nice in my uneducated opinion. Someone's not home. Yikes.
Oh my goodness!
It's like dirt. Well, the part we've all been waiting for, the carnage. Connecting rod that broke was falling out while I tried to get the oil pan off. Rod cap, chunk of piston. You can see the rest of the piston jammed down in there under the crank. There's bits of it spread everywhere. Piston, rod bolt, basically turned into sand in the bottom of the oil pan. Piston ring. Well, supposedly the guy claimed it overspun. Blew a hole through the side of the block. There's a chunk of the block down there. Another chunk. See where the girdle got whacked a little bit. Big chunk of steel. I don't know that that's gonna do too much to that. Then again, the block has a hole in it, so. Counterweights busted up. bunch of chewed up bearing surface on that connecting rod. That was most of what was left of piston number 3 falling out. A little bit better view of the carnage. The baffle plate thing is mangled. A wrist pin C-clip in there. That cylinder is absolutely destroyed. Not that it matters too much since the block no longer can hold oil. Piston number 1, mostly fine. Number 2 caught a little bit of the debris. Got some scratches. Number 4. Also a little bit beat up. Not too bad. But probably all scrap also. Well, that's most of the block stripped down. Really, number 3 is the destroyed one. You can see the oil squirters broke right off. Lots of, just tons of this metal gravel. Another chunk of piston over here. That worked. Pretty tiny little block. So, this is my good block. I haven't actually inspected it outside of it's not obviously damaged. But I don't have the main caps for this, so now I'm in a situation where I'm either gonna have to get this line board, so it's going to the machine shop one way or the other, or I gotta find a block with matching main caps. So hopefully by some chance, the guy I bought this from has the main caps hidden somewhere. Otherwise, I have a lot of parts, lots of duplicates, hopefully enough to put together at least one good engine. So it'll be a while before I really get to this. I gotta collect the parts to build this up, and I gotta prep the chassis that I'm putting it in. So that'll be it for now while I organize all my things. I'm sure the next video will have nothing to do with this, but that's it for now.